Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to be working on this Reed number 24 utility vise. We're going to get this thing cleaned up and looking good. So I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well this is the Reed 24 utility vise. We're just going to tear right into this, start taking it apart. Not bad. Oof. Oof. Wow. Okay. We're going to have a little bit of a problem here, I feel. We are. Everything is rusted up on here. Definitely got to break that loose. That's not going to be good. Oh. Not good. Not good. Oh, that one was tight. Yeah, this side's blown out and this side's blown out too. It is what it is. It's what I got. Try it from, nope, it's not going to be that side. Definitely going to be this side. I think I popped it through too much. Alright, we got that. There's the Acme screw and handle. There's the locking collar and the pin. And there is the slide and jaw. Little brass hammer comes in handy. I'm just bending the hell out of the handle. Nope, we are. There we are. There we are. All right. Well, that is all broken down. I'm going to pause the video, get the camera reset, and we are going to set up for the wire wheel. So let's get into that. Alrighty guys, well I got 90% of the paint off there. It's looking pretty good. But where the jaws meet up, this is horrible. Look at that. They're uneven, cattywampus, looking like crap, dinged up. So I'm going to spend some time with this. I'm going to throw it in my vise and start hand filing to try and get this to look a little bit better than what that does, because that's just garbage. So give me a few minutes. Alright, we're going to wipe this down really good with acetone. Get all the funk and the gunk off it. We're going to tape her up and give her a paint job. Oh my God. George is going to paint a Vise. Yes, I am. See that? Even the dogs can't believe it. Alright, we're going to throw some color on this. This is Rust-Oleum Gloss. I don't know what color it is. Hell, it's the same color as the primer. Alright, well the paint's all dry finally. This is 3 coats on this. Came out pretty good. Quite happy with the color. I was wanting a flat, but I wound up getting a satin instead. But hey, I think it looks pretty good. So ain't nothing but a thing there. What I would like to do though, I would like to highlight the writing on here. So let me go and do that. I'm going to use a black Sharpie pen. It's not a pen, it's a well, it's a paint pen, yeah. I think it would stand out pretty nice, so I'm going to do that. Well, I'm having so many problems with this tape this time. Alright, tape's all off there. I don't know if I showed you how the lettering came out. That's how it's going to look. I think it looks pretty nice, don't it? Again, I'm not one for painting vices, but just wanted to show that I can paint them. I do need to finish the metal out real quick. That piece is done. I do need to buff out the Acme screw, the swivel bases, and I've got to protect these with some oil. I put some bluing solution on there, and I forgot to oil them down. So I'll have to use a bit of steel wool and some oil and get those cleaned up. Let me go grab a clean rag and I'll show you what this looks like afterwards. That'll work just fine, right? Alright, let's get to reassemble. Alright, well, I guess we're going to start by putting these gels back on. There's that. Please forgive me, guys. Neighbors are cutting their grass right now. Let's see. I've got a nice trace of oil along the bottom. I'm going to put a nice trace of oil along this. Again, I don't want anything rusting up. I just want to try and keep it as nice as possible. So we're just going to be liberal with it. The color that I chose, I believe, is called Sage. Ooh, slippy. Excuse me. Like a dipshit. Forgot to put this in there. This is always the hard part, trying to line this stuff up. I think I got it that time. Anti-swivel. Alrighty. So, now that that's done, we're going to focus our attention on the screw. So with this, I got to try and get this to line up, and I always have a hard time with this, so I'm going to try the magnet trick, because if not, I'll spend the next 45 minutes messing around with this like an idiot. Look at that, it worked. There we go. Yeah. I know I dropped the punch somewhere. There it is. Yeah. Put my brass hammer away. Put this punch away. Little tiny shot of oil in there, not much, just enough to keep her lubed up and going. On the back of this, I do want to put a little shot of oil in the screw. Damn it, I said in the screw. And I'm going to get a little bit on the slide. Just enough to keep her lubed up and going. Just slide you off the table a little bit here so I can get this started. Ooh. She moves good. Wow. I'm liking that. A little bit of a wipe down, get the extra oil off. Well, there it is, guys. You zoomed in a little bit on it. Looks pretty damn good, huh? I do like that color. Like you guys know, I am not a fan of painted vices, but you know what? This isn't that bad. So this isn't going to stay in my collection. I'm just going to flip this and move this on to somebody else who will appreciate it and use it. So yep, that's it. Get a look at this side. Nice plain Jane. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with this one. This is the Reed number 24 utility vise. It came out fantastic. I'm quite happy with it. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another. Bye.